Hi friends, so here in this video I am using this USB type C to USB adapter. Then I connected this pen drive to this adapter, then connect this adapter to mobile phone. So let me go to my files. You can see pen drive was detected. So don't remove this pen drive directly. First we need to unmount. I will show you how we can unmount it. Just go to settings, tap on settings, then tap on device care, then storage, then tap on advanced, then USB drive, and here you can see unmount. Tap on unmount. You can see it's unmounted. Now we can remove the pen drive. So this way we can safely unmount pen drive.